What's up guys, it's Claudio from WooCommerce WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply the breadcrumbs navigation into your WooCommerce WordPress store in a simple, fast, effective, and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. So let's get this started. First thing, navigate your WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna start this video assuming that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed on your site, set up, you have made your products. If not, please pause the video, open a new browser tab, and search for WooCommerce WooCommerce. Okay? You're gonna be able to find a playlist on your YouTube channel full of tutorials explaining how to install, how to set up, how to customize WooCommerce. After this, go back right here, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. We're gonna be installing an add-on plugin for WooCommerce, okay? We're gonna type Breadcrumbs WooCommerce, just like this, into the upper right corner of our screen. And here is the guide we're looking for, WooCommerce Breadcrumbs. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. That's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? And if you scroll down next to WooCommerce, there is a new plugin called WooCommerce Breadcrumbs. Review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard again, scroll down just a little bit, and next to tools you're gonna be able to see the settings menu. And on settings you have a new submenu called WC Breadcrumbs. Click on it. Right here we have the most important option, enable breadcrumbs. We have the breadcrumbs separator symbol, the right before, the right after, before, after. We have the home text and the home URL. You can customize this in the case that you want or to the language that you need, okay? You have options to customize. After doing your change, make sure that you save change, okay? Now, what changes? If you go to your products, and find one of your products, for example, the plant, there is this navigation menu right here, the breadcrumbs, homepage, product category, single product. Simple, easy, and it makes a huge difference on SEO, okay? So we're gonna enhance your site, Google gonna loves it, search engines gonna loves it, okay? So it's good for your shop sales to bring traffic and gain visitors, okay? And you can do that for free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.